Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will learn the data types in Python. So without wasting our time, let's start. Mutable args. Mutable data types can be altered after the creation at any time. List, dictionary, sets are example of mutable data types. The third properties is the mutable are a bit slower than immutable to access its items. It is we can say it is not a properties, it is a drawback of mutable. And the fourth properties of mutable is that mutable are used when user need to update the value of variable as per requirement in future. Now come to immutable data types. Immutable data types cannot be altered or updated after its creation. It has a fixed size and fixed values that must be fixed at the initialization. Int, float, boolean, string, tuple, complex are example of immutable data types. These are the popular, so I include here. Immutable are a little bit faster than mutable in to access its item because its size and indexes are fixed. It is used when user don't need to update the size or the values of the variable in future. These all are the properties of mutable and immutable data types. So you can easily understand these both. If not, please comment below. I will answer your question. It is most important question in view of interview because beginners must be asked this variance or difference between mutable and immutable. So i I suggest that one should always be confident in the difference between the mutable and immutable. Now come to the next point, that is how to check the data type is mutable or not. For this, we take an example. You can see here I take a variable a that have been valued as 1 2 3, that is an integer, and take another variable that is b is equivalent to a, and after that I print the id of a and b here to check further. Here you can see easily the id of a and b both are same. Now I can also use the equal operator to see both IDs are same or not. Here you can see also that the both IDs are same. Now here you can see the last three digit of A ID is 108 and the B also is 108. Now come to the next point, that I increase the value of A by adding 1, and after that I print the id of a. Here the id of a is different from the id of a that was initially. Now come to the again an equal operator, and after applying the equal operator you can see the output is false. That means the id of a and b has been changed. Now after the adding, here the id of a b is same, is not updated, that is 408 and the id of a has been changed. Now come to the next point, how to check the data types are mutable. Sorry, it is not immutable, that is mutable. For I take an example of list. I take a variable a that is a list in list type containing 1 2 3 and 4, and take another variable that is b. For it I also print the ids of both a and b. You can see here both are same. the last three digit of A and the last three digit of B are same. Now come to the equal operator. After applying the equal operator, the output is true. Now come to the next point. I pop the last digit of list A, that means 4 has been popped, and after that the list containing 1, 2 and 3, before it containing 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to again use the equal operator to check the ID of A and B. That means that are equal. That is our output is true. Now I'm going to again print the ID of A and ID of B using the print statement. Here you can see after the pop operation the output the IDs are same. So it's all are the test about the immutable and mutable. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.